fun.
You're crazy. No, it is good. That's a good idea. Lady Gaga's onto something.
Yes. Well, this is awesome for all parents. Brooke Burke loves it. This is Label Daddy. And basically, you don't have to iron or sew labels onto your kids' stuff anymore. You just peel and stick them on.
Smart.
We did Surrey Cruise right here. They're dishwasher safe. They're machine washable. They're about $20 to $50 at Label Daddy. They even have these cute little zipper tail tags with Cinderella.
God, how cute.
We put Stella on there.
She has a Stella, right? I think.
You know who has a Stella is Tori Spelling.
Oh, yes.
Surrey Cruise is
And a Liam.
Tom. Yeah, Liam.
Cute. Right here.
Stella, Liam's there, Honor Warren. And what's great about these is you can create your own on labeldaddy.com. Type in your kids' names. They have great holiday ideas. And now you don't have to get your kids' stuff confused with anyone else's.
No, that's a big thing. I mean, even if the kids are in daycare, you need to, you have to. You can't send them to school without labeling everything.
Okay.
So that's good. Instead of putting the Sharpie on there, you can just peel it right off.
Have the little Cars guy for Levi McConaughey. Matthew's watching.
Gabriel Matthew.
Yeah.
Okay, great. No, I love it. And put on gifts as well.
Yeah, this way you don't have to have a card for everyone. You could just say, love the Smith family.
All good ideas.
Done. Labeldaddy.com.
All right. Thank you so much. Check your text messages.